Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day. What do we have here? What is that?
Valentine's volcano!
A Valentine's Day volcano.
And Mommy put surprises inside.
Yes, I did. So let's see what's inside. We have our vinegar and our baking soda, and I'll give you guys a closer look of our Valentine's Day volcano. All right, let's get started.
Melting. Whoa.
Ooh, look at all that glitter.
Melting.
What's inside? Try to use your fingers. Try to use your fingers, see if you can dig through. What's inside?
Wait, I feel something. I feel something.
What is
it?
it?
It's a heart.
It's a heart.
And I feel another heart.
Ooh.
More hearts. That's for my shoes. More hearts. Wait, no.
Let's see.
More hearts.
Ooh,
more hearts.
what is it? Ooh, it's like jewels.
Oh, whoa. Ow.
It's so pretty. Let's get this side too.
Melting. Wow.
What is it, August? Let me see. Ooh.
Clean it off. It's more heart. Yeah.
What do you guys think of the glitter? It's
Good.
pretty, huh?
Alright.
So shiny. Look at that glitter.
Nope, this part.
You guys working together? Do you have any surprise in your hand, August, or it's just the baking soda?
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
So what do you guys think about Valentine's Day? What do you think about that?
Amazing!
You like Valentine's Day?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? What's your favorite thing about Valentine's Day?
Having fun.
Having fun and spending time with your loved ones.
Now,
Axel, you were on a mission, girl. Ooh, it's so pretty.
I'm melting it down.
You're melting it down?
Oh, look at this part.
Oh, I know. Look at that glitter. Let me see your hands. Let me see your hands. Turn your hand over. Like that. Let me see.
Not my hands.
Ooh, look at that glitter. Let me see your hands, Axel. Turn your hand like that.
Oh, this one.
What'd you say, Axel?
I placed it up. Volcano!
Volcano! What do we know about volcanoes? What do volcanoes do?
Exploding.
They explode or erupt, right? And what comes out of the volcano?
Lava.
Lava! You think that lava is hot or cold?
Hot.
How hot do you think that lava is?
100 hot.
100 hot? Yeah, I think you're probably about right. Super, super, super hot. But this lava is not hot. Our glitter lava is not hot.
It's slimy. Cold and sticky.
Cold and sticky.
Yeah, sticky. Oh, look at this.
So how many rings did you guys find?
I found one.
Let's see.
I found 2, 3. I want my rings. 4, 5.
Oh, you have a heart, Axel. Is that a heart or a ring? Oh, you have a heart, a white heart.
Hi, see? Oh, yes. That'd be more than a treasure hunt. I'm gonna bury these.
Going on a treasure hunt.
Bury these. I'm going on a slime. I found a clue.
You got a clue?
Oh,
A heart clue?
It's shiny.
Well, let me see the ring that you have, Axel. What color is that ring?
Red.
It's red?
Is that your ring?
No, it's your ring.
It's my ring?
It's your ring. You guys can have these surprises.
It's my ring!
It's your ring.
It's my rings! Can I have some rings?
Yes.
Why is my ring?
Because mommy got it for you guys. I know.
It's like
It's squishy. It's like slimy now, huh? Is it slimy?
And I see my handprint.
Oh, you made a handprint?
But I meant to see side of it. Look. Oh, let's see where water. I see where's that cloth? Huh? I see where's that cloth?
Huh?
Where's that cloth?
With your sharp claws? Let me see. Where are your sharp claws, Axel?
Right here.
Those are your sharp claws?
So water. Wait, this is so. Oh, there's soap. Look, it's on it. I'm back in the sky. Happy Valentine's Day!